I am Dr. Radhakrishna with 28 years experience in the branch of pediatrics. As far as this Omni RK multi-specialty hospital is concerned, mother and child is a very important wing of Omni RK multi-specialty hospital. We have a team of 12 or 13 pediatricians round the clock. At least there will be one pediatrician. Omni RK super specialty hospital caters to 6 districts of Andhra Pradesh and a significant part of Orissa. And in the future, we are also targeting states like Chhattisgarh.
In association with Omni Group, a very progressive thinking group, we have established our Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology dedicated to the women's health of this region. In a short span of time, we have become the referral hospital for all types of complicated obstetric and gynecological cases. We have established the best of the centers for high-risk pregnancy in association with our neonatal intensive care unit. Compassion blended with expertise is our motto in giving our patient a very comprehensive and outstanding care. We will definitely be contributing significantly to our growing medical tourism potential of this part of the state, and we will definitely make a mark in the new state as one of the best centers for women and children.
This is one of the best and biggest, largest neonatal intensive care in the Andhra Pradesh, and we have got here the world-class equipment including warmers, ventilators, and also because of good training of our doctors and sisters, here we can save the babies even up to around 700-800 grams babies, and their outcome is very good. Not only immediate outcome, the long-term outcome is very good, and they are as normal as any other babies. And because of all the equipment available, our success rate is more than 95%. Overall, this is the best NICU in this part.
Omni Hospitals has started its journey in 2010 at Kottapet, Hyderabad. Today we are operating across 5 locations with 750 beds across Andhra and Telangana, serving all the multi-specialities. We aim to provide good quality healthcare to all the sections of the society. At Omni, we plan to expand to more cities in the coming years. With continuous training to our staff across all the departments, we ensure that the best in medical technology and best practices are provided back to our patients and the doctors and the staff. Our vision is to provide the physical healthcare needs attached with the emotional needs to our patients and their families. At Omni, your health is in the best hands because we care for you.